Shove my books behind the seat of that beat-up Ford. Name tag on, grease stains, neon yawn, mopping hours till my knuckles drag the floor. Boss man barking by the loading bay, throws his weight cause he hates his own day. Swallows my pride like a cold black coffee, bite my tongue, yeah, they call it tough love. I'm just a kid on a worn-out shift, hands all cracked from the overtime lift. Punch out the time clock, punch through the doubt. Every long night I'm gonna climb out. You can curse my name, you can slam that door, stack your rules and your rotten words more and more. I'll prove myself, I'll bleed if I have to, but I won't turn into you. Headlights in the dark, she's counting hours like she's counting my sin. Straight home now, your dreams are getting loud. Dad says work, school, church, then do it again. They don't see me on that concrete floor, taking hits from the backroom boys. Laugh it off, stash cash in a coffee can. Every bruise, every breath is part of my plan. I'm just a kid on a worn-out shift, hands all cracked from the overtime lift. Punch out the time clock, punch through the doubt. Every long night I'm gonna climb out. You can curse my name, you can slam that door, stack your rules and your rotten words more and more. I'll prove myself, I'll bleed if I have to, but I won't turn into you. Past this parking lot, windows down, heart finally untied in a knot. Won't need your praise, won't chase your slow clap. I'll have my own name on my own damn cap. I'm just a kid on a worn-out shift, hands all cracked from the overtime lift. Punch out the time clock, punch through the doubt. Every long night I'm gonna climb out. You can curse my name, you can slam that door, stack your rules and your rotten words more and more. I'll prove myself, I'll bleed if I have to. Yeah, I'll prove myself, I'm pushing on through, but I won't turn into you.